Have you ever wondered what it takes to bring a precision-engineered marvel like a BMW to life? It's a journey of raw power and delicate precision, a symphony of human skill and robotic perfection. Let's go behind the scenes and witness the birth of the ultimate driving machine. Our story begins in the stamping and body shop where the car's very soul is forged. It all starts with massive rolls of high-strength steel, the raw material for the masterpiece to come. These colossal spools are fed into gigantic presses that exert thousands of tons of force. With deafening yet precise impacts, these presses stamp the flat metal sheets into the iconic shapes of a BMW's doors, hood, and panels. Once formed, these individual pieces are handed over to a ballet of robotic arms. In a shower of sparks, these tireless workers weld the stamped parts together with surgical accuracy, constructing the strong, lightweight frame known as the body in white. Next, the raw metal frame glides into the paint shop, a pristine, dust-free environment where its true colors will emerge. The journey begins with a series of deep chemical baths, meticulously cleaning and priming the body to ensure a flawless finish and lasting protection against the elements. After this preparatory dip, robotic arms, moving with graceful efficiency, apply multiple layers of paint, from the electro-coated primer to the lustrous base coat and the final clear coat. Each layer is applied with absolute uniformity. The freshly painted body then moves slowly through a massive oven, where the heat bakes the paint to a hard, brilliant shell. The marriage marks the most pivotal moment in the final assembly line. Here, the beautifully painted body is gracefully lowered and united with the chassis, which already holds the powerful engine and transmission. This is where the car truly becomes one. Following this union, a coordinated team of expert technicians and advanced robots work in harmony to install the luxurious interior. The intricate dashboard, plush seats, and sophisticated electronics are all fitted with meticulous care. The process continues as the wheels are mounted, and all essential fluids, oil, coolant, and brake fluid, are carefully added, bringing the machine closer to life. Before a BMW earns its badge, it must pass a final, unforgiving trial in quality control. The newly assembled car is subjected to a battery of rigorous tests. It endures a high-pressure water chamber to ensure there are no leaks, and its every function, from the infotainment system to the turn signals, is checked and double-checked by discerning inspectors. Only after passing every single test does the vehicle make its final journey. A gleaming, brand-new BMW rolls off the assembly line, its iconic halo headlights switching on for the first time,